I hope you fine and fit, and I hope you are solving the homework every day, whatever you got. Are you solving? Yes. I hope you are solving. Okay, today in this video we discuss about the exercise of D, E and F. Give two examples for each of the following and scribble the organs breathing of following animals and fill in the blanks of lesson 2 animal world. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. Now see first homework. Okay student, as you know that I have given homework on 8th July 20 of lesson 2 animal world, and homework that day homework I given rewrite the following statements correctly. Okay, here 5 statements are given. That is a wrong form, that is some words are wrong. So here I solve this homework one by one. So all students take one copy and page. Now write the homework. First first is a whale is a mammal and it breathes through lungs. Here I change mammal. Whale is a mammal, not a fish. Okay, whale is a mammal, not a fish, and it breathes through lungs, not gills. Okay, here two words change. Fish, in place of fish write mammal, and in place of gills write lungs. So current statement is a whale is a mammal and it breathes through lungs. Second, crow and pigeon are flying birds. Here flying birds, both are flying birds. Okay, and in correct form given flightless, no, flying birds. Third, carnivores have well developed canines, not incisors. Okay, carnivores have well developed canines, and you know that with the help of canines teeth, carnivores tear the flesh of other animals. Okay, next, birds have beak to eat their food, not teeth. Okay, birds have beak to eat their food. Okay, and last, snakes have scales or plates to move, not legs. Okay, snakes do not have legs. Okay, snakes have scales or plates to move. You have write this homework in copy in proper way, and I remind again all of you write name, class, section in comment box every day, not on a single day, 2 days or 3 days. Okay, every day you have write name, class and section. Okay, always keep in mind. Okay, now first see first exercise. D, give two examples for each of the following. Okay, don't confused about the sequence of exercise, sequence of questions. Okay, in book different sequence are given. Okay, don't confuse. Whatever I write, whatever I give the sequence, this is a right sequence. Okay, first I solve the exercise, then question answer in proper way. Okay, don't confuse about the sequence of question answer. Okay, now see first, give two examples for each of the following. And first number, rodent. Give two examples of rodents are first number rat and second rabbit. Rat and rabbit. Now next, migratory birds. Migratory birds, you know that they migrate from one place to another place. First example, Arctic tern. B. Siberian crane. Arctic tern and Siberian crane. Next, two examples of insects with wings. A. Mosquito, and B. House fly. I repeat again. Give two examples for each of the following. Two examples of rodents are rat and rabbit. Two examples of migratory birds are Arctic tern and Siberian crane. Two examples of insects with wings are first mosquito, second housefly. I hope you are understand. Now next exercise, unscramble the organs of breathing of the following animals. Here animals name given and their breathing organs are given, but this is in a scramble form, and you first do the unscramble form, you give correct form. Okay, first we see this is not given in proper way, in correct form given, and you write in correct form. So here first fish, you know that fish breathe with the help of breathing organs of fish is what? Breathing organ of fish what? Gills. G, this one G I double L, so double L S, gills. Breathing organs of gills or breathing organs of fish or gills. Okay, now next amoeba. Amoeba and paramecium. These animals breathe through body surface. So here body surface not given in proper way. You write here BODY body surface. Okay, now next man, human beings. Breathing organs of human beings are, yes, lungs, L U N G, yes, lungs. Breathing organs of spiracles, insects are spiracles. S P I R A C L E S. S P I R A C L E S, spiracles. So I repeat again. Unscramble the organs of breathing of the following animals: fish, gills; amoeba, body surface; man, lungs; insects, spiracles. Okay, now next exercise, fill in blanks. Here you see here 4 questions are given. I have blank space required. You fill the correct word. The process of burning of food with the help of oxygen inside the body is called what? Respiration. R-E-S-P-I-R-A-T-I-O-N. Respiration. butterflies and bees, such as nectar from flowers, with the help of proboscis. 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 You know that a proboscis is a long cylindrical tube. With the help of proboscis, butterfly and bees suck the nectar from flowers. Okay. And in this process, respiration process, you know that oxygen react joined with food and burn. When food burn, then energy release and also carbon dioxide release, and that one outside the body. Next, turtles and tortoise can use their limbs to push water. Which type of limbs found in turtle and tortoise? Paddle-like. P-A-D-D-L-E, paddle-like limbs to push water. Last, the lancefish is a migratory bird that makes longest migration. Which bird is make the longest migration? Guess. And that bird, you know that they migrate from Arctic turn to Antarctica and then return Antarctica to the Arctic. Yes, Arctic turn. I repeat again. Fill in blanks. The process of burning of food with the help of oxygen inside the body is called respiration. Butterflies and bees, such as nectar from flowers, with the help of proboscis. Turtles and tortoise use their paddle-like limbs to push water. And fourth, the Arctic tern is a migratory bird that makes longest migration. Now all students, now you have take copy and pen. Now write down the homework of lesson 2, animal word, exercise G. Match the following column A with column B. Date 10th July. Column A. In column A given, first snail and turtle. B. Second birds. Third cow and deer. Fourth emu and ostrich. And fifth reptiles. In column B given, A. Flightless birds. B. Scales on the body. C. Protection by cells. D. Breathing through lungs. And E. Herbivorous. You have write this homework in copy and try to solve it. But you know that in next video I will solve, and but you try to solve in proper way. I remind again all of you, in comment box you have write name, class and section. Okay, thank you.